Hello YouTube, Rick here. I'm making this short video in response to a question that was asked of me by a viewer. How did I get all 4 low beams working at the same time? And how did I get all 4 high beams working at the same time? Actually, it's quite simple. Now, I wired my GTO using relays because, as everybody knows, the classic cars had a voltage drop going through the switch, which made the lights sort of dim. So I ordered 4 high beam low beams. I forget where I got them from, got them off of eBay or Amazon somewhere, and I ordered 4 ceramic connectors, all for high beam low beam. And I wired them exactly like it's showing here, off of the relays. The only difference with this and the way the conventional hookup is on lights is, instead of having 2 high beams, 2 low beams, you've got 4 high beams, 4 low beams. And the low beams are actuated off of the low beam side relay, and the high beams off the high beam side. It's basically as simple as that. For me it's simple, for a lot of people it may not be. But anyway, screenshot this, use it. I revised all this on Photoshop because it was set up a lot different. You can find this generic layout anywhere on the internet and print it out, and you can see what I've done here. Anyway, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you can. Hit the notification bell, be notified each time. I don't do a lot of videos. I try to put out at least one a month anyway. And I do it to try to help people and basically to kill a little boredom. So with that being said, I hope you enjoy your day, and God bless.